ASDC pen patil pi ponsi article 244A pen class 8 BTC ekor aputhang India Prime Minister aphan kido kilo. United Karbi Student Association Duar Bagri aro atum pen Longni Gop LP School along Lochar le somal atum phan notebook kiron. Kechengsi Saropotar MSC Cup Football Tournament Angdung Kiti. Kardom ada berta lo pen liberta than bang thare harmony non berta ton pen ardri than. ASDC pen party pi ponsi ongdung araratum kache tudun pen phai kuni ni phai thongkap arni hamren post office along damsi Prime Minister Narendra Modi aphan panong si kido atilup kilo ajai me kepado pona berta pherangke hondo group pen berta nangpale Anarlo porphai krihini ra chiti ma porpen HSDC Hamren District Committee asai hem along pen abarim Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Johnson Bay lapen Ramsing Terang atum pen japon si post office along an paledam kado go vetilup krihini kido postmaster arideng hodai si speed post register ta claim pon kido along soni alam the sumlor bensi thihek pen Prime Minister aphan tok jir pen panonglo kido along ke tok don alam the lake Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong lapen Dimaso aphan prapchin pen Bharat Rajyari aronalo along ke tok tang article 244A pachum vek nang ji lapen Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong lapen Dimaso district aro kedo bodo khe atum aphan ST hill status KPG alam the ingthanang ji pu henlo bangso jai mek lake phaikuni ni phai thongkep arni pen matijong ni phai troxy arnian Prime Minister aphan kido kilo ajai mek padopon bomji pusi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM barim Johnson Bay pen pherangke atum angnu than pachini
pen post office along Karbi Anglong kapre dim talasong thaksip ASDC KSA pen PNCA atum pen pangrum ponsip Indian Prime Minister aphan rat pen sithi kapele lu kapele akamang deng dak non hasip suri ki thom ra paru siri kep ra kep rai si pak sithi bang gep ini si jok lo
United Karbi Student Association Duar Bagri aro atum pen phaikuni ni phai inkora sir kep arni dolamara ahawar palongni Gop LP School along notebook kerondam abirta phaikuni ni phai thongkep arni UKSA pach thangchun bang Jensing Teron pen birta nangpale UKSA Duar Bagri Constituency aro atum pen dolamara ahwar along longni LP School along notebook kerondam UKSA Duar Bagri Constituency aro amaipu Rajan Rong Parchun bang Rovelson Tera Jensing Teron lapen klembang pu atum Jalinsi Malasi Gop LP School lapen Kangdir Gop LP School along bang pharuini sose lochale sumar atum phan notebook ron porlo atheke kidam tang UKSA TRP amaipu Ratan Terang pen UKSA ingdeng trop amange thek arni katalon pon ahut bang suri kep lochale sumar atum phan notebook ron ponjipu pangdak ponlo Lasoteng pensi Duar Bagri UKSA aro klembang pu atum pen patilpi ponsi notebook keron asai denglo lapen lon kebang ji arni sitame ron pon bom jilang pusi alang litum pen ningje Dipu manja kaceleng atowar pi Birla petrol pump adum adolong arai along phere meme ahlik kido ajo kari motor kaceleng pen anparta keng pen kacelat araratum aphan akele phere meme anpin lo
Difu manja kaceleng atawarpi Birla petrol pump along Simplex company tumpen towar kasalam aphijong pensi bangso hilik nang dolo sitame kemang humeme alama bangki pini arnianta kasalam ponjap han sai kideng pon avela lasi prabjin pen bangso hilik ingthin asonte messenger pusicherok tawrat tumpen ningche lapen halapu Difu DIG Bangaloa dungpen kedam pet JNV kaceleng mate taralangsu kaceleng atawar Assam State Electricity Board adungalong akile kahinu hektik pecheng arue hurason ke kaceleng aphan katura hektik ansi ratum chetong na taralangsu jutanga klamalong arong jenang lelia prang salam ponasonte messenger lasinon ningkreng ningthia por rasonde ani dingklue pharman mate kithir thibatawar salam ponasonte messenger pusi ong dung kaceleng arat tumpen ningche
Nundalam support han berta among ton ponik sina
Turkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Atur Kimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Atur Kimi Society. GR Infra Projects Limited, Plot number 80, Brahmaputra Industrial Park, Amingaon, Guwahati 781031. Products: bitumen emulsions, coal mix emulsions, PMB, CRMB, metal crash barrier, thermoplastic paint and bitumen all grades, etc. MS Micro Engineering, authorized dealer. First floor, Cooperative Building, Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. Contact number 9435533710 or 8638223203 or 8638441464. Please tap in Ishan Motors. A showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamu piputar bertalong bang thulu. Nihang Donsuri Football Cup atumpen patir pipon si kidam tang phaikuni ni phai crazy arni pen kitching si. Sarobothar MSC Cup Football Tournament ke patu pangcheng pon si phaikuni ni phai thong cap arni. Arni tili hinia por pen Balipathar Higher Secondary pathua klamalo angdung kiti ke patu pon. Aberta card news phrang ke anantarang pen berta nang pale. Kitching si Sarobothar MSC Cup Football Tournament angdung kiti ke patu pon lake Sarhejan Left Wing Police Station pen Thongnobe Police Station atum angbong si patu pon lu. Angdung kiti ke patu pon lake Alizarpo Aman pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rohang Chetongdu Lapen Manpeng Adu Aman Pen Iam Atum Horen Singh Pe Jagar Singh Ingti Mongol Singh Timu Madhurya Dikel Pukon MSC Atum Dar Singh Rohang Lapen Richard Tong Dipen Chenglong Kithi Kiting Atum Chetongdun si Alir Alon Pidun Sarijan Police Station Aterang Atum Thongnobe Police Station Atum Pan Bol Ipum Thaplo Lapen Thongnobe Police Station Atum Pen Angdung Kiti Ke Pachupon Along Bol Ipum Nata Kipipon Awe Ke Pachu Ke Teknai Anong Sarijan Police Station Pen Sarmen Timu Lunse Rong Pipen Goalkeeper ki ongna anong e Cepalong pondo lapen Western rong pia phan best goalkeeper anong e pipajir pondo angdung giti ke patu ki ha ate rang atung phan tangka Sika suri thongkep lapen trophy adun thu ate rang atung phan tangka sika suri inkoi lapen trophy lapen ingdeng ke thom anong e ke long ate rang atung phan tangka sika suri kep pipajir pondo Karbi Student Association Central Committee atumpen phaikoni ni phaithong cap ani borakhe tumphan BJP atumpen SD Hill PS tanglo lapen khangdun nelopu mayalong Karbi Anglong MP pen lam theke jaipon aputhak ningduk chepaklang lapen sodak pen kapen renpo abirta nangle Daithor Mondal Congress asa hem along phaiguni ni phai inkora sirkep RD mass joint rally kepadopon amayalong BJP sarkar pen Karbi Anglong kedo borakhe tumphan SD Hill PS tanglo Khangdun nelo MP pen mai along lam theke jai pon ke ningduk lo lapen sodak pen alang liphat pin rem lo pusi Karbi Student Association atum pen birta pangda Karbi Anglong pen keche toidun MP ningge the pen si alang liphat radatum pahai lo lasi non apor ke alang li lason alam ningje jedersi alang li bangso abil ke Khangdun thip nangji lapen Khangdun vek nangji apolo putat birta pangda pon thu ada berita bang la pasi kang ton ponegla domi thang me kurwang thu